schedule. It says Yankees Feast 153rd Street. There might be a game today. Alright, everybody. Those customers, those workers, those passengers are going to the Yankee Stadium. But we're not going to the Yankees for me. We're going to Staten Island. Alright, here comes the train. We will get Fluttershy and Elinor when we get on. Let's see if there are seats available. There goes the birds. Alright. Let's go to Grand Central. Alright. Watch the gap. Let's see. Arm 1 to 5. They forgot. It's supposed to say 125th Street, not 125. Fluttershy, we're on the train. Yes. I'm gonna turn you into a paper doll when we get on the Staten Island ferry. Okay then. But we're on the train, Fluttershy. Yeah. And Elinor. We're on a train. Yes, we're going to New York City. Yep. Got the tickets right here. White Plains to Grand Central. And we're moving. Alright, Fluttershy, let's go on the train. Yes. Oh, we're going backwards? Oh, the brakes. Yeah. Now we're going forward. Yes, we're on a train. Alright, Fluttershy, enjoy this trip. Fluttershy, we're on a train. Yes. Alright. Alright, see you when we get to Grand Central. Okay, bye. Alright, we're on the train. We're at the last stop of the train at the Grand Central Terminal. As you can see here. Alright, we'll see when I exit the train. Alright. I don't know if it might be cool. Alright, here are the elevators at Grand Central Station, New York. Oh, wait for the next one. Here are the elevators at Grand Central Station in New York City. These are Otis. These are Otis elevators. I really like those buttons. Alright, everybody, look at that clock. Indicator. These are Otis. I think it's coming. I think it's gonna be this one. Here it is. Gotta wait for the next one. I think we might have to get this one right here. So let's push this one. Let's call it. Oh, this one's going up. Still on 7. It's still on floor 7. Oh, it's going to 6. I think we might have to take this one, I think. These are Otis. Wow, I really like that elevator. This one's coming down. Oh, we got this one. Oopsies. Hold on, let's see if we can get off them. Alright. Alright, now we're gonna go to, I think, U. Let's try U. These are Otis. Nice cab. Focus camera. I think it's L or U. Let me see. Alright, here we are, U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is locked. Alright, I think this is the one. Alright, now we're gonna go watch it close. And there it goes. And that'll be it. Let's watch the indicator. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Let's see if it's closed. There it goes. And let's watch the indicator. Wow, the clock is moving. Speed. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 4. Wow. Alright, that'll be it. We're not gonna watch the rest of the indicator, so that'll be it. Alright, a train's coming. There's the other side. Here's the 4 train. It's falling rain.
This is the Bowling Green bound 4 express train. The next stop is 14th Street, Union Square.
I'm almost at the last stop, Fluttershy. Yes. Oh, we're now here. Alright, it's here. It says transfers available to the Staten Island ferry. Alright, we're here. Yes, this is Bowling Green. Yes, we're here. Okay, this one's right here. Alright, let's get off. I gotta hold on to the handrails. Alright. Alright. We're gonna watch these. We're at Bowling Green Station. Yep, Bowling Green. Alright, let's go to the Staten Island ferry. Let's go to Staten Island. Alright, Fluttershy. We're now at Bowling Green, so we're going to a Staten Island ferry, Fluttershy. We're gonna go to Staten Island. I will turn you to a paper doll when we get to the ferry. Okay. You will meet the other ponies. Alright. Gotta be careful with those wires. That tunnel that goes to Brooklyn down here. Alright, let's exit here. Oh, these are different now. Wow, look at this. They add gray ones for the OMNY subway gauge.
Come on, guys, this way. If you have your tickets to the guys, if you have your reservations.
With Elinor, we're now at New York City. Yay, New York City! And Fluttershy, we're in New York City. Yes, New York City! Alright, let's go to Staten Island.